Hey y'all, today I want to show you how to look at all of the edits that you have ever done on a Google Doc. So as soon as you create a Google Doc, right, you know that you don't have to hit the save button anymore. It automatically saves it. And every time it automatically saves it, it saves a copy of it. And you can access these copies by coming up here where it tells you the last edit was at a time, right? Yesterday, whenever, this morning, an hour ago, it'll say last edit was, and if you click on that, then it will show you in blue, right, uh, all the things that you've done since that time. So yesterday I edited this a bunch of times and it auto-saved it like every minute. So I can go back to this particular time and I could restore this version or this version, right, after I inserted that table of contents. And it'll highlight whatever has changed. All right, so I'm going to actually restore this version. I don't really know what I did after this, but let's do it. So I'm going to restore this version. There we go. And then, oops. And then if you want to go back, you can do that. The other thing that I've actually used this for is this will tell you who edited it when. So this is a very old document and it was edited by my friend Melissa, and then by Brooke, and then by me. So I could go back and see exactly what changes Brooke made by scrolling through and seeing what is highlighted in blue. Same thing with Melissa. Now, this is a really good way to tell which partner, right, in a partnership, or which group member in a group wrote what. If you can't tell by their voice, right, usually you would look for their handwriting, I guess, but here, right, it'll highlight and it'll say who wrote what. All right, so the only other thing I would tell you about is that undo is Control-Z. Oh, and that if you mess something up, right, if you accidentally deleted a whole bunch of stuff, you can come back in here and either just restore the version from before, or if you want, you can actually copy and paste from this version into what you have now. So if you made changes that you want to keep, but you lost something, you can come back here and find it and copy it and then paste it back in.